Kailangan ko muna
look my hair. So, antay lang natin ng 5 minutes. So, mag-aaral lang ako. Mag-antay lang kayo dyan, ha. So, 1, 2, 3. So, I'm done. Look my hair. Look my hair. So pretty. Oh, next one. 1, 2, 3, go.